dear students, welcome you all. Today we'll see some results on operation on sets. Already we have seen so many results. Now these all 6 results are important, but the proof is not required for your competitive exam. So we'll see this means all sets, these 2 sets are equal by using we'll draw the Venn diagram and I will show you how both the sets are equal, because already we have seen one more method that if we have to prove 2 sets equal, we are showing both sets are subsets of each other. Okay, now we'll not use that method because it takes time, and use of Venn diagram is also sufficient for proving these 2 sets equal. Now we'll go one by one. First, A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. Now student, A minus B. Now the Venn diagram for A minus B is the set which has excluded element from set B. Okay, means set B elements we have excluded from set A. So this difference, if both the sets are A and B and this is your universal set U, then this shaded part is nothing but A minus B. Now for this we have seen the Venn diagram. Now A intersection B complement. Now student, if this is your universal set A and set B, this is set A and set B. Now B complement is the part of universal set which has excluded elements of set B and its intersection with set A. Now this is your set A. So set A intersection with B complement. Now in set A, only this part is having elements from set B complement. Okay, so A intersection with B complement is nothing but this shaded part. This is A intersection B complement, because we know that outside B, outside the set B, the all elements are from B complement, and that B complement intersection with the small set A having elements of set A and not from set B. Okay, so this you can compare now both the shaded parts. Clearly A minus B is equals to A intersection B complement. Now we have verified this statement, or you can say both the sets are equal. Okay, now same process for B minus A. B minus A is a set equal to B intersection A complement. In this case, we will just share this part of B and here this part of B. Means this shaded part is nothing but dotted part, you can say, is B minus A. Okay, and this part will be B intersection A complement. Getting? Means these both results are same. Here just we have taken the difference between A and B, and here we have taken the difference between B and A, and that's why minus B means we have taken out elements from B, so we have taken B complement here. Now here we have taken out elements from A, so here A complement we have used. Okay, so the first result we have verified. Now the second one, A minus B is A, means if A minus B is A, then A intersection B, A intersection B is equals to empty set. Means if we consider A intersection B is empty set, then clearly A minus B is set A. Now students, see, suppose we have set A and this is set B. Here clearly A intersection B is a non-empty set. Okay, we have considered, let A intersection B non-empty set, means A intersection B has some elements. Okay, now we have to prove A minus B equal to A. So we have A minus B equals to set A. Okay, A minus B equals to set A means in a set A no element is there from set B. Means from set B there is no element in set A, so that we can exclude that elements from set A. Getting? Means this implies that A intersection B is empty set. Means what we have considered that assumption that A intersection B is non-empty set, and here we got A intersection B as a empty set because A minus B is set A. Means if we'll draw the Venn diagram, the both sets will be different. Set A and this is set B. Means A minus B if we'll take, then purely A set we will get. Getting? Any doubt in this? Because A intersection B, if we'll consider A intersection B is empty set, we'll draw this Venn diagram and then A minus B equals to A. If we'll consider the difference of A and B, then we'll get this shaded part only. Getting? Any doubt? Now we'll go to the next one. Third, see student, proof is not required. You just understand that how both the sets are equal, because while solving problems on set will require this results. Okay, so we'll take now third one. A minus B union with B is equals to A union B. Now student, no need to draw the Venn diagram for this. Clearly, if we have considered the difference of A and B, so clearly set B elements will not be there, means purely only set A elements will be there in this. And if we have taken A minus B set union with set B, means set A union with set B only. Getting? And the part which is there of the means if we will consider the intersection is non-empty, then that elements will not write again. Getting? So this set is nothing but A union B. If you want, I will draw the Venn diagram here. Set A and set B. This part is clearly A minus B. Okay, so this A minus B and union with B. Union with B means this set B also will consider. So this shaded part is nothing but A union B. Getting? So we have proved that A minus B union with B is equals to A union B. Now fourth one, difference of A minus B intersection B is equals to empty. It is clear that if we have taken the difference of A and B, that is A minus B, in that set B elements will not be there, and if a set is not containing elements from the another set, and if we are taking intersection of both the sets, clearly it will be empty set. Getting? So here also we will draw the Venn diagram. Fourth one, set A minus B and this set is B. If we are taking out B elements from set A, how this set will have elements from set B? Okay, so that intersection will be A minus B intersection with B is equal to an empty set. Getting? Now fifth one, if A is a subset of B, means B is B containing set A, and which implies B complement is subset of A complement. Now this is very important, students. Please see this properly. Fifth one, if A is a subset of B, means suppose this is your universal set, set B containing set A. Okay, now what is B complement? This is your B complement. The part outside the set B is your B complement. B complement. Okay. And here again I will draw one more Venn diagram so that you will get the part which containing A complement will be this part. you can compare this student properly. That's why I have drawn the two Venn diagrams. Now student, here clearly you can observe that set A complement is the biggest set which contains B complement. Means here from this Venn diagram, means if we have considered A is a subset of B, in this case only we have B complement is contained in A complement. Getting? So we have the result. If A is a subset of B, then B complement is a subset of A complement. And reversely also you can consider, if B complement is subset of A complement, means this Venn diagram only will be there. Okay. And from this we can have A is a subset of B. Getting? Any doubt in this? Till this first to 5 problems? Okay. Now the sixth one we'll see. A minus B, the difference A minus B union with B minus A is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. Students, we have seen this result because when I have explained the symmetric difference between two sets, that time we have seen this, but again we'll see the proof. See here also, this is set A, this is set B, this is A minus B and this is B minus A, because if this set is A and this set is B, so this part is A minus B and this part is B minus A. Getting? Now student, if we'll see A union B, the part, in that part this A intersection B will be there. Okay. And if from A union B, if we'll subtract intersecting part of A and B, then you will get the same Venn diagram. I'll draw that also. If this is your universal set, this is also a universal set, set A and set B. If we have A union B is the set, and if from A union B we have subtracted A intersection B, because this is your A intersection B. So this shaded part is nothing but A union B minus A intersection B. So from both the Venn diagrams you can easily observe that A minus B union with B minus A is equals to A union B minus A intersection B. Getting? So we have these results. So in options you can have so many options for proving this. They can give here A minus B intersection B minus A, and that intersection will be equals to A union B minus A intersection B. So you should solve this by using Venn diagram. It will not take so much time to draw the Venn diagram, because in rough also you can draw it. And if you cannot draw the Venn diagram, so many times the sets are coming, complicated sets are coming. In that case you don't draw the Venn diagram. If you can apply that one more method, that one set is subset of another set, that also you can use. So now you are having the choice to draw the Venn diagram or to solve by that first method. Okay, but you should know the both the sets are equal or not. You can verify it by both the methods. Okay.